The only thing you need to worry about when you see numbers in Integumentary is if I'm doing a repair, I'm going to add. Anything else, no adding. So, this doesn't say a kid fell off a bike, off a motorcycle, chainsaw cut themselves up. It doesn't say we're repairing tissue. We're talking about lesions or things we're removing that need to go away. So as long as it's not a repair, we're not adding anything. So no add. Super easy. So if we have one measurement, another measurement, and another measurement, we know we have to code each measurement. So what's our answer? We have 1, 2, 3 measurements. That means we need to have 3 CPT codes. We know our answer without reading any words at all is going to be C.